Okay, so welcome to Teen Scones. My name's Ariana, and today we're starting off with the basics of the leavening agents and getting it into the bowl. So first we have flour, and then we're going to add the sugar. And then we're going to add the baking powder, which is a leavening agent. Then we're going to add salt. And then we're going to cut the butter into the mixture because it is a biscuit method. And you have to cut the butter into the mixture. And you just mix it until all the butter is all in the mixture. And it is all together. And as you mix, make sure everything is getting mixed together. And the leavening agents. You don't want nothing not mixed. Something won't rise. Okay. So after you get done with the butter, alright, so I guess now we're on to the liquids. We're done creaming butter together. It's my thing. Mixing it in the bowl. Yeah. So how this differs from other methods is the muffin method, you typically just mix everything together. The creaming method, you have to cream everything together. And then our method pretty much requires us to cut the butter into the mixture and literally push it into the mixture. And after the eggs are mixed, you pour in the milk. With some Alright, after you mix the liquid together, the eggs and the milk, add into the mixture.
Yeah. So you say what's functioning, so we're creaming together all these ingredients. Typically it's just your
You just mix it together.
So if I were you, I would
It should start to form like a biscuit consistency, but making scones. It'll be kind of similar.
If it says to mix all these together, like for sure, we're gonna put this
At that point, when it's a little bit more mixed together, you can take your hands and just kind of start to bring it together, get all the flour mixed
the
together.
second step, then mixing the dry ingredients together is the third step, then adding them together alternately is the fourth step, and then there's flavoring for additives, like, blueberries or whatever, is the final step. So yeah, so you can talk about
And I believe we add in the fruits next.
baking method. Like, this follows the baking method, the recipe that we have the sugar. And if you forget anything, then
This will add a little bit of flavor to the scones. Make sure all the flour mixture is mixed together. And Nya is bringing me my pan. She's prepping it for me with the parchment paper. Make sure you always put parchment paper on your pan before we cook. Has he started? Okay. So my friend Nya here is already helping me start some of the scones, but it looks like they're turning colors, so basically you probably should mix the flour more, but also I think it adds like a good maybe color and texture to it. And we just shape them into triangles. The flour for this provides structure, the fat adds flavor, and the baking soda is a leavening agent, which chemically makes it rise.
I got an idea.
So, and we're setting the timer to 10 minutes, and then we just wait.
So I'm gonna juice the blood orange. Very nice. So instead of doing a lemon glaze, we are gonna be doing a blood orange glaze. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this juice. Milk.
Gotta add the rest of it. Alright, so we're gonna take them out.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary progress going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.